Hey everybody, how you doing today? I just wanted to take this time to introduce my new channel. So I'm Damien, and I am the CEO of Disturbing Kreationz of the auto company. We started a YouTube channel to do our fantastic car builds, race cars and show cars. But I bought a property that we've been doing a lot of construction on, and we've been building our studio for our auto shop. So I figured, why not have my crew videotape all the construction, recycling, and money-saving tips that we're doing for our property, our apartment, and our shop, and give those to you. So this channel is only going to be about house construction, constructing things outside, working with construction tools, fixing tools, power tools, hand tools. We're gonna do about everything. So take this journey with us. I just love that I can do something new and educate people. I want to be able to have a talk with people. I want people to go ahead and leave some of those comments in all the videos, ask questions, and if you see us doing something that you have done a different way, please leave a reference or a comment down below, because we want to learn from you just as you, the viewer, are learning from us. So thanks for coming to our new construction channel, Disturbing Kreationz Construction. If you like automotives, look under our channels on our main page and it'll show you Disturbing Kreationz Automotive, and you can subscribe there as well as subscribe here. Have a great day. God bless. Let's go fix something.